In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is straightforward and incredibly beneficial if you're looking to reach a broader audience by making your content accessible in different languages. Let's begin by accessing the multi-language settings within the Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're in the Builder interface, you'll want to look over to the sidebar. You'll see an ellipsis button represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up a menu where you'll find various settings for your website. Among these options, look for multi-language settings and select it. This section is dedicated to managing the languages on your site and is your go-to for everything related to language settings. With the multi-language settings open, your next task is to select the starting language. This is an essential step. The starting language will be the default language that visitors will first encounter when they visit your site. Think carefully about your audience and which language will provide the best initial impression and ease of understanding. Set the language that you believe will most engage your audience as your default. Now, with the default language set, it's time to add additional languages. Why stop at just one language when you can boost your site's inclusivity and reach? To do this, look for a button labeled Add Language and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a list of languages available for you to add to your site. Browse through this list and select any additional languages you wish to incorporate. Be mindful in your choices here. Picking the right languages can make a world of difference in connecting with your global audience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple languages on your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. This feature is incredibly powerful for breaking down language barriers and catering to an international visitor base. It's great not only for enhancing user experience, but also for possibly improving your site's SEO by making your content more discoverable in various languages. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips to consider. Once you've added new languages, make sure to translate your website's content accurately for those new language selections. You might want to check and double-check this content to ensure that it communicates effectively what your site is all about. Finally, test your website to experience how each language works from a visitor's perspective. It's always a good idea to confirm that everything is functioning smoothly and as intended. With these steps, you'll be all set to offer a multilingual experience on your website that's bound to impress your visitors and keep them engaged. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy building.